Good morning, children. I have already explained the lesson third, but I again explain you lesson third because some of the students have joined this WhatsApp class group late, so they may have a confusion. In this chapter, we have discussed about the animal with the backbone or without the backbone. Where do animal live? It means about the habitat of animal. What do animal eat? Means the food habit of animal, and also we read about the animal adaptation. First we discuss about the animal with a backbone or without the backbone. Children, you know backbone is a very important part of our skeleton system. Why backbone is very important part of our skeleton system? Because it support our body and protect the spinal cord. मीन्स बैकबोन हमारे बॉडी को सपोर्ट करता है. हम खड़े होते हैं इसलिए क्योंकि हमारे पास बैकबोन है, और इट ऑल्सो और हमारे स्पाइनल कॉर्ड की भी यह सुरक्षा करता है. Some animal have a backbone while some animal do not have a backbone. Animal which do not have a backbone are called invertebrate animals such as cockroach, ant, butterfly, housefly, jellyfish, octopus, etc. And some animal with a backbone are called vertebrate. Example: fish, reptiles, mammal, amphibian, etc. First we discuss about the vertebrate. As I have earlier asked you, the animal without the backbone are called invertebrate. Mostly insects come in this group. In spite of insects, octopus, jellyfish, snails, slugs are also invertebrates. These creatures do not have a spine or a backbone. As for example, octopus has 8 limbs and can get into a small space as they have no backbone. Insects have 6 legs and their body is divided into 3 main parts, that is head, thorax and abdomen. Some animals have a tough outer shell while some have a hard and outer part at all. Now about the vertebrate. I have already explained you animals with a backbone are called vertebrates. They further group into fish, amphibian, reptiles, bird and mammals. First we discuss about the fish. Fish are the vertebrates which live in water. It means fish are the aquatic animal. जो जानवर पानी में रहते उसे हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Aquatic animal. They have a streamlined body and the body of fish is covered with the scale, so it protects its body so that it cannot be rot. Scale जो है मछली को पानी में बचा के रखता है जिससे कि उसका बॉडी खराब नहीं होता है. They swim with the help of tails and fins. The fish lay egg in the water and enjoy lay egg in the water, and their young ones hatch out of these eggs. Some example of fish are tuna, salmon, lionfish and etc. Amphibian. Children, you already know about the amphibian. Amphibian are those which live both on land and water. Some example of amphibian are frog, toad, salamander, etc. They breathe through their lungs and moist skin. Children, you know when frog live in the water, they breathe through the moist skin, and when they live on land, they breathe through the lungs. They lay egg in water. Young ones of amphibian do not resemble with the adult one. They undergo series of physical change. This is called the metamorphosis. Now you read the lesson third again, and if you have any confusion, you ask the question. Thank you and have a nice day.